Hey there. Are you excited about diving into the world of cryptocurrencies but don't know where to start? You're in the right place. Let's walk through the steps to get you started on your crypto investing journey. First things first, educate yourself. Understanding what cryptocurrencies are and how they work is crucial. Cryptocurrencies are digital currencies that use cryptography for security and operate on a decentralized network called blockchain. Knowing the risks involved is just as important. So, read up, watch videos, and get acquainted with the basics. Next, you need to choose a cryptocurrency exchange. Think of it as the platform where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Look for exchanges with strong security measures, great user reviews, and support for the cryptocurrencies you're interested in. Big names like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken are good places to start. Once you've picked your exchange, it's time to set up an account. This usually involves providing some personal info and going through a verification process. It might feel like a hassle, but it's all about keeping your investments secure. Now let's talk money. You'll need to add funds to your exchange account. Most platforms support bank transfers, credit cards, or other payment methods. Deposit what you're comfortable with. Remember, only invest what you can afford to lose. With funds in your account, you're ready to buy cryptocurrency. Navigate to the trading interface on your exchange, choose the cryptocurrency you want to buy, and make your purchase. It's that simple. But wait, don't forget to secure your investment. Storing your cryptocurrencies on the exchange can expose you to online threats. Consider using a hardware wallet or another secure method to store your cryptocurrencies offline. Safety first. Finally, stay informed. The crypto market moves fast, and staying updated with market trends and news is key to making smart investment decisions. Follow reputable news sources and join online communities to keep your finger on the pulse. And there you have it. A quick guide to kickstarting your cryptocurrency investing journey. Remember, investing in cryptocurrencies can be highly volatile and risky. So, do your research, stay cautious, and only invest what you can afford to lose. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Happy investing.